Hi there, I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and I'm hoping you're having a wonderful day today. And thank you for visiting our YouTube channel, watching this video. There's plenty of videos that I've made and plenty I like to share. Here we have in front of us the Lelit Giulietta 2-group espresso machine in 220 volts. Now, you may be seeing other machines that are in 220 volts, and a lot of machines that come from Europe in 220 volts for the US market are typically for restaurants, cafes, commercial environments. So the one thing that you may see is that it comes either with a European plug, or it may come with an Australian plug. It may come with a US plug for 220 volt, and there's different versions of 220 volt plugs for the US market. And it can be a challenge, okay? So here at First Line, typically, if the machine is purchased from us and comes out of our warehouse and not, say, the manufacturer's warehouse, we will usually put what we call an L620 plug or an L630 plug. And L620, basically, we have three prongs here, ground, and then the two others, prongs. But this is 20 stands for 20 amp. And when you take 20 amps times 220 volts, that gives you basically the maximum wattage that's allowable, but you want to operate the machine typically lower than 90% of max wattage, okay, available from the voltage and the amperage. So L630 means it's for a 30 amp outlet with a 30 amp circuit breaker instead of the 20 amp circuit breaker. So it's really important to understand when you're opening up a coffee shop or replacing a machine to figure out the circuit breaker is at 20 or 30 amp, the outlet is at 20 or 30 amp, and making sure that you have the power to supply to that one machine. So now you may say, well, Jim, why do you not use this is a European, but this is a straight plug. Why don't you use a straight plug for your 2 and 3 group machines? And actually the 3 group is more the 30 amp plugs. The reason we use this is because it's called a twist lock. It goes in and locks into place. And we can put those sometimes on 110 volt or 125 volt machine, but the whole purpose of the twist lock is so that the plug doesn't come out. It goes in and twists in. So it's called a twist lock plug. And we've been using these for years. Again, if the machine is coming out of our warehouse and not a manufacturer's warehouse, 220 volt will typically have these. Now, the manufacturers will typically use a straight plug. So if you're looking to purchase a machine, it's also a good idea to email us what the plug looks like so we can try to match it up in your case, or contact an electrician, and then he can also change the plug if you don't have a twist lock. But we really prefer the twist lock plugs. If you have any questions or comments, please ask down below. I'll be more than happy to try to answer your questions. Visit our website for 2 group machines such as this Lelit Giulietta, which you'll really like. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the like button. Do me that big favor there, and have a wonderful day. Coffee first, everything else after.